If you want to use the software to look up any stock, you simply enter the symbol here. You will be taken to the company profile view, which will immediately show you the stock probability based on its chart pattern. For a detailed view of how all stocks that have made this chart signal have performed, you can click this More Info link right here. It will give you a composite chart of the signal's performance based on historical, backtested data. This is very important because you can see the probability for different day ranges and plan your trades accordingly. In the short term, this information is extremely helpful. Over the longer term, today's chart pattern doesn't really matter at all. The factors that will affect the stock price a year from now will be the performance of the business. To get a clearer picture of the long-term outlook, you will need to look at the business as a whole. From the main company view, you can see the earnings over here, the revenues, the earnings forecast. This is also very important for the short term because you can see if the analysts are increasing their estimates or lowering them. You can see the average opinion from all of Wall Street research, as well as the average price target. If you want to read a complete research report on the company, you simply click on this button over here and it will appear in a new window. Another really helpful feature is the multiple time frame view. You can access it by clicking this button here with the 4 squares on it. This gives you a big picture of how the stock has been performing over a 5-year period, 1-year period, 6-month period, and what it's doing right now. You can move back to the company profile view by clicking on the summary icon, or at any time using the program, you can always go back with the back button, which always appears right here on the left. If you want to study the chart close up, you can click this expand button, and you will have a full-size chart which you can customize with over 50 different technical overlays and indicators. If you're interested in advanced charting, we'll cover those in a separate tutorial. Okay, so this is great for researching any one particular stock. But what if you want to know which stocks today have the chart patterns with the highest probability to increase? Precision scans the charts of every single stock on the market every day. To find the highest probability companies, you simply click on the Screener tab, which is located right here. This will default to stocks with the highest probability to increase in 20 days. If you're looking for something a little more short-term, you can click on any of these tabs and it will give you stocks with the highest probability for 10 days, 5 days, 2 days, or even 1 day. If you're looking for an idea to sell short, you simply change the sorting order and it will show you stocks with the lowest probability to increase. Some traders are looking for extremely volatile situations, such as stocks that have the potential to move up 50% or more in just a few days. If you want to sort by volatility, you can simply click on either of these tabs to sort by forecast high or forecast low. Sometimes you can make great trades which only have a 50-50 probability, but the forecast high is a move up 40% in a few days, and the forecast low may only be a move down 20%. Even if you're wrong half the time on trades like this, your winnings will be twice as big as your losses, and you still come out with a profit every single month. If you're risk averse and you only want to trade companies with the strongest fundamental rating, just click Sort by Hotstocked Rating. This will show you companies with excellent balance sheets, excellent earnings growth, and excellent recommendations from Wall Street analysts.